the Grand Mosque of Sharjah. It is the largest mosque in Sharjah. This mosque here, it is also UAE's second largest mosque in whole UAE, guys. I'll tell you more facts on the way. Now, without wasting any time, let's go in. About to enter the Grand Mosque, but I forgot to tell you one more thing, that the largest mosque in UAE is the Sheikh Zayed Mosque in Abu Dhabi. I haven't taken a vlog, so expect my vlog when I reach there.
The construction of the mosque was commissioned by the government of Sharjah. The mosque was officially opened in a ceremony in which His Highness Sultan bin Muhammad Al Qasim, ruler of Sharjah, opened the doors of the mosque for the general public. The mosque also consists of library in the besides area for the main purpose to give dawah to the non-Muslims as well as Muslims. Construction began in 2014, costing around 300 million dirhams. It was inaugurated on 10th May 2019 by ruler of Sharjah. The Sharjah Mosque is also open to non-Muslim visitors. The mosque is home to a large library that has many original Islamic works. A rubber track goes around the mosque for visitors who wish to go for a walk around the complex. It also has a souvenir shop, museum and fountains. It is equipped with 2 ablution areas and 100 wheelchairs for the elderly. It can accommodate up to 25,000 worshippers with an inside capacity of over 5,000 people, 610 of whom can be women. The front hall and side lobbies have a capacity of more than 6,000 worshippers, while the outdoor area can accommodate 13,500. An abiding symbol of faith, this structure is well worth visiting for the chance to view its grandeur. Surrounded by gardens and water fountains, the domes, minarets and columns have been designed to reflect a unique Islamic architectural style. The main prayer hall has arched windows with stained glass, walls decorated with verses from the Quran, a large chandelier in the center and red carpeting. The mosque is home to a large library rich in Islamic works. The mosque is also equipped to welcome non-Muslim visitors and lovers of knowledge from around the world. The collection hall is a unique treasury of books and antiques from different Islamic eras.
Building a big and magnificent architecture like this, it came with a very expensive price. 300 million dirhams. Oh my god. And they have made it in an Ottoman style with Islamic architecture. As you can see here, it is very beautiful.
located in the area of Tay, at the junction of the Emirates Road and the road to Melilla. The mosque, its gardens and facilities are built over a total area of 2 million square feet. It was a good experience walking around the mosque, feeling the good atmosphere, feeling calm and spiritual. Even though it's near to the city, this is a place where we can concentrate, meditate, and pray, feeling cool and enjoying the atmosphere. While walking with my grandfather, I grasped the most detailed structures and detailed chandeliers of the mosque. It was so nice watching them while walking with my grandfather. The English word mosque denotes a Muslim house of worship. The word evolved from the Arabic term masjid, which means place of prostration. During prayer, Muslims briefly kneel and touch their foreheads to the ground as a sign of submission to the will of God. I was in complete awe looking around the mosque and feeling how detailed the structures were made. I have to see the architect who made the mosque. It was so magnificent. I just kept on circling myself around and admiring the structures of the mosque. The way they had made the mosque, it was entirely, I can't express it in so many words. That beautiful and magnificent they have made it. There were so many pillars and it was not much crowded as I had expected because it was COVID time and we had to take precautions. I started to walk towards the door of the mosque. I took some time looking at the door because it was so beautifully made. We were not allowed to look into the inside because it was such a holy place.
beautifully made. Every detail with chandeliers, with Arabic like boards and so many things. This is my vlog. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.